Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. Hope you're doing good today. Appreciate you visiting us. Hey, every once in a while we get a call from folks asking us if we sell salt for water softeners. The answer is no. The reason why we don't sell it is because it's too expensive to ship it. So we usually recommend that people go to a big box home improvement store such as Lowe's, Home Depot, something like that to pick up the salt-free water softener. And that always brings up another subject that people ask us. It's like, well, how often do I have to fill the water softener that I bought? And how much does it cost? How much does it cost me and my family to per year to operate the water softener with salt? And the answer to that question varies, of course, depending on what type of water softener they have. If you go to Lowe's.com and you look at their search for water softener salt or salt in general, you're going to find that they sell a few different types of water softener salt here. The first one is salt pellets, which is the most commonly used. The pellets or the solar crystals, either one is ones that we would recommend, and they both cost the same, around $6.76 plus tax per 40-pound bag. Um, those are the most commonly found. They have the crystals. The crystals is more of a extra coarse salt. It's not as clean as the solar pellets. The solar pellets are recommended again more so because of the fact that they are a clean source of salt for your water softener, and that's what we recommend. To get to the question of how often do I have to fill my salt tank, and how much is it going to cost? On our frequently asked questions on our website, we have what is the difference between flood downflow water softeners and upflow softener water softeners? To change the question a little bit when it comes to this aspect of it is what is the difference between downflow water softeners, regardless of what water softener it is. If it's a downflow water softener, then the answer is the same all the way across the board. Most of your water softeners out there are downflow. Fleck is downflow. Clack is downflow, and Clack is you cannot purchase online. You have to go through a local dealer to purchase a Clack water softener, which is relatively expensive, and they are downflow systems. So their usage and of salt and the amount it's going to cost you to operate your water softener between a Clack and a Fleck are going to be identical to each other as far as that goes. Um, as far as usage of salt goes on any downflow system or even upflow system is going to depend on whether or not you size your water softener properly when you purchased it. If you don't size your water softener properly by using a sizing calculator that you see here on our website, by entering the information about as far as the amount of people living in your home and the hardness of your water, and then following those recommendations, then you may be undersizing your water softener. And if you do that, you're going to cost yourself more money over the life of the water softener, which can be a substantial amount of money over the life of 10 to 15 plus years for a good water softener. Okay, so sizing it is extremely important to make sure that you're not undersizing it and that you're saving yourself a lot of dollars over the life of the system. So let's go over a few figures here real quick. We've done a lot of studying on this over the years, and what you're going to find is that your downflow water softeners, such as your Fleck water softeners, Clack water softeners, General Electric softeners, Whirlpool water softeners, Culligan water softeners, Rainwater, Servisoft, Connecticut water softeners, any of those water softeners are all downflow water softeners. So what you're going to see here is, I'll just kind of read this so I don't miss anything, is a SoftPro upstream. Our request water softener is a fresher and innovative softener that estimates these gallons of water utilized with the goal of framework recovery just when it's required. So with that in mind, all the other water softeners I just mentioned, the Fleck, the Clack, the General Electric, Whirlpool, and Culligan water softeners, and so forth. Most of them are metered systems, so they are going to count each gallon being used, and they're only going to regenerate based on your usage. Okay, but what makes the difference is that the upflow water softeners that you find on our website, the SoftPro water softeners, they are upflow high efficiency water softeners. They have a lot of innovative features to them that save you up to 75% salt and 64% in water every regeneration over Fleck water softeners, Clack water softeners, again, Culligan, and all Kinetico, Whirlpool, all those other water softeners out there. That could actually be a savings of $219.80 per year over the other water softeners out there, rounded off to $220 a year. This is based on figures that we have done on data, based on data that we have been saving over the years. So, based on a family of four. That's a huge savings. That means your investment in salt over a 15-year life of a water softener, it has saved you $3,297 based on those figures over 15 years. You can buy a lot of water softeners for $3,300, folks. And I said per year. I'm sorry, it's $3,297 over the lifetime of the system, which we based an average of 15 years for your traditional water softener. That's of good quality. So that is the reason why it is so important to size your water softener properly. And it's also very important to choose your water softener properly as far as what brand you go with. You want to make sure it's an upflow brand, high efficiency water softener that's a good quality, like the SoftPro systems, and not go with your older style softeners, which are your downflow softeners by Fleck, Culligan, Clack, Kinetico, Whirlpool, Lowe's. Those are all really old technology. They work. They've been working for years, but again, they're old technology. So why would you buy something that's going to continuously cost you money over the life of the system, especially $3,300? That's a lot of money. So I hope this helps you folks, and I hope I answered all your questions. And thank you for visiting us. And have a great day.